Welcome to the English with Nina playlist. Hello and welcome to English with Nina. I'm so happy you are here. If you have always wanted to speak English confidently but didn't know where to start, you are in the right place. In this playlist, we'll learn English step by step in a simple, practical, and enjoyable way. We'll cover daily English conversations, easy grammar lessons, useful vocabulary, pronunciation tips, common idioms expressions, and speaking practice, real life English you can use every day. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I'll explain everything clearly and guide you through each lesson. Remember, learning English isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress every single day. So grab a notebook, practice with me, and most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is another step toward becoming a confident English speaker. If you enjoy these lessons, please subscribe to English with Nina, like the videos, and share them with your friends who are always learning English. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. Now let's begin learning English together. See you in the first lesson.